On which date
All
is
right,
your
all right.
interview, please? आपका कौन
Sir, it
तारीख?
will happen on 14 December
14 December. In which place?
at Salem CSI Polytechnic College.
अच्छा, आपका interview is going to be conducted in Salem. अच्छा, good, good,
Yes,
good.
sir, that's right.
Very good, very good. So now, why did you apply for RRB and not for IBPS PO?
Sir, I'm more interested with the RRB, especially because of this IT specialist post, because this is the stream of my study in my graduation,
Hmm.
and I am very passionate about this subject.
Acha, good.
Also,
Yeah.
my parents are very aspiring for me to join in a public sector organization
Mhm.
because of the job stability, because of the growth opportunities.
Mhm.
That's why I'm preferring regional rural bank.
Oh, acha, आपने your education qualification, I find you have studied BSc, correct?
Yes,
BSc Electronics
BSc
and
Electronics and
Communication,
Communication.
and that too from
Yes,
KSR College in uh, Tiruchengood, correct?
yes, sir. That's right, sir.
You studied in Tiruchengood. That is why you have some liking for that Salem and other areas, correct?
Yes, sir. Actually, my written exam happens on Chennai. That's why
Mm.
they have selected my interview venue in Tamil Nadu circle.
Very good, very good.
My yeah,
This is
my
for
preference
post. This
bank
is
is
for scale 2 post or scale 1 post.
so this is a scale 2 IT specialist post.
Oh, scale 2 IT specialist post. Good. Can you please
Yes,
tell
it's a
me?
manager post.
Can you please introduce yourself as a system man, and so that we can consider you more suitable for this post?
Okay, sir. To begin from the my personal detail, I am from Hill District of Manipur, Ukhrul, where I have done my schooling also. I'm a graduate of BSc Electronics and Communication,
Hmm.
and I have four
Just,
years and 10 months long.
just a minute. I'll cut this call and come. Hello,
Okay.
யார் பேசுறது? ஆ, சொல்லுங்க. நான் ஒரு இன்டர்வியூல இருக்கேன். 10 நிமிஷம் கழிச்சு கூப்பிட முடியும்? Thank you. Yeah. Yes. So you are from Manipur.
Yes, sir. That's right, Manipur.
Continue. Sorry.
And okay, sir. And I have 4 years and 10 months long work experience at Hewlett Packard Enterprise
Mhm.
as system engineer.
Mhm.
I
Good.
look after the maintenance of clients' corporate application environment.
Mm.
My my strengths are my honesty, my committed and dedicated nature of personality.
Mm.
I have good written communication apart from my technical skills.
Mhm. Good. Excellent. Yeah, you have certifications in computer hardware and networking, Windows
Yes, sir,
operating
that's right.
system, then course on
Yes,
computer concept, then office automation also. Good.
yes, that's
And under computer hardware and networking, what is it you studied?
sir. Actually, I studied the hardware assembling part,
Mm.
the various component of computer CPUs and monitor.
Mm.
Actually, this is what I study in my graduation also in my training. When I'm training for the company, they
Mm.
also give me
Mhm.
training and orientation for this computer hardware and networking and
Very
operating system as well.
good. So, can you tell me how bank branches are interconnected?
So basically, banks interconnection happens through technological core banking solution.
Mm.
It's
What is,
a service.
mm,
It's a service provider as well as the provider have a software suite
mm,
like Finacle software.
mm,
So they will be all the branches of a bank will be interconnected through
mhm.
this banking solution technology.
Good. That's good. So you are aware of the concept of core banking solution, like software like Finacle is used for interconnecting the branches with the head office main server. Correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now, can you please tell me how ATMs are connected? You know, ATMs of one bank is connected with the server of another bank. How this thing is
Okay.
happening?
So ATMs are connected through the national financial switch located in Hyderabad.
Mhm.
It's operated by National Payment Corporation of India.
Mm,
So all ATMs will be connected this
mm,
to this switch server.
mhm. What is?
And
Can
nat-
you elaborate more about national financial switch, because this seems to be a very important topic.
so it's a centralized financial computer server system operated by NPCI.
Mm.
Regarding technical details, I'm not very sure about the in-depth details of this.
National Financial Switch is the largest network of shared automated teller machines in India.
Yes, that's
It
right.
was designed, developed, and deployed by the Institute for Development and Research in Banking Technology,
Oh,
IDRBT, in
okay,
2004, with the goal of interconnecting the ATMs in the country and facilitating
okay,
convenience banking.
that's right.
It is run by the National Payment Corporation of India.
Okay,
Likewise, it goes. And the member banks are, as of April 2017, the National Financial Switch Network connects 2,36,199 ATMs in India.
oh,
Among them,
okay,
2,16,952 ATMs of 99 direct member banks, then 4,058 ATMs of 692 sub-member banks, and 1,034 ATMs of 56 RRB member banks, and 14,146 ATMs of 8 white label ATM providers, which is the largest number of ATMs under a single network in India. Can you tell
that's right.
me what are the services offered through National Financial Switch?
Sir, they will authenticate any uh, customer withdrawal requests, balancing,
Very,
balance
very,
checking,
very good. Cash withdrawal, balance
cash withdrawal,
checking, then
and other account related services offered by the bank.
mm, like
So they will authenticate
pin change, mini statement,
pin change, yes.
mini
And
statement.
then through this financial switch server, it will be redirected to the respective bank.
Very good. Super, super, super. Good. Now you have answered this ATM, you have answered this core banking. Now, can you tell me something about mobile banking?
Sir, mobile banking is another extension of internet banking services. It will be the service will happen through the mobile application of a respective bank. It may also service through the daily banking services and other SMS related services. I
Hmm.
think
No,
from these three
probably,
channels.
probably you can add some more points also. Like
Okay.
you can you can tell about the mobile app you have. Which bank do you have an account?
Sir, I have Axis Bank and
Axis,
SBI.
Axis Bank and SBI.
Yes.
Acha, then you can tell about SBI, SBI app. and so that you
Yes.
can elaborate about how it is put into use. For example, if you ask me, I will tell you about Indian Bank. It has got two apps. One is known as what is that? Ind Viasis, and another one is what is this? Ind Pay.
Okay. Yes.
So they are used, they will be these mobile banking is interconnected through the mobile number of ours with the bank. So whatever number we have given to that bank, that will be linked to this, and through this we can have the say access the savings bank account, term deposit account, we can apply for loan, and all the facilities can be done through this mobile app. थोड़ा elaborate करके आप बात करना है.
Okay.
You have to tell them that you know about it. You are an engineer for the last 5-6 years. It is not that you don't know, you know about it, but आप feel
Yes.
करके, enjoy करके उसका बारे में बात करना है. I know you are fearing you may land yourself into some areas with which you are not familiar, but थोड़ा आप बात
Yes.
करने से तो उन लोग का confidence लगेगा. समझ गया?
Ha ha ha.
Yeah. अच्छा, your selection is for all India posting or Tamil Nadu posting?
Sir, it's a all India posting. Scale
All,
2 is all India posting
acha, it's an all
as
India.
per preference.
Very good, very good. All India posting. Good. Which is the first preference you are given?
Sir, I have put my state Manipur state regional rural bank as my first preference.
Acha, in Manipur, how many rural banks are there?
Sir, there is only one regional rural bank of the state, only one.
Only one bank. How many branches are there
Yes.
for that bank?
It is about, I don't know the exact, it's about 30, 30, 38,
नहीं
39 branches.
गलत होगा. 33 से ज्यादा होना है जी. What is the name of the bank? बताइए. Let me check it up. Manipur.
Manipur
हाँ.
Regional Rural Bank, Manipur Rural Bank,
Manipur Regional Rural Bank. अच्छा.
Manipur Rural Bank.
Yeah. 1 minute.
It
Manipur.
is sponsored by Punjab National Bank.
अच्छा, Punjab National Bank. Branches network.
Yes.
The bank has
Yes.
been operating with a network of only 28 branches. Baba, आपने correct है. आपने 30 बोला, is only
Yes.
28 spread over 9 districts of the state. Out of 28 branches, 1 branch is an urban area, 9 branches are in semi-urban areas, 18 branches are in rural areas, of which 8 branches, that is Tengu Naupal branch, Chandal district, Taubi, Saparmania, etc., are not functioning for a long time for various reasons, particularly due to non-viability of the branch and security reasons. Imphal West district, it is there. Imphal East
Yes.
district, it is there. Then it is there in Bishnupur, Chandail district, Senapati district, Ukrul district, Tamenglong district, then Chura Chandpur district.
That's right, sir.
Good, very good, very good. So what are the services they are offering?
Sir, they are offering a loan service,
Hmm.
saving and deposit, fixed and deposit schemes.
Good.
Also, other social service, social scheme, government scheme like NRGS and other Chantan Yojana schemes, they are opening for the public.
No, they are offering NEFT, RTGS, then launching of mobile banking service, ATM come RuPay debit card, these things. So now, are you aware of the rate of interest they offer for 5 years and above?
Sir, I'm not sure about the services.
They are
of this
offering
rate of
6% interest. You have to go through that website thoroughly.
Okay, that's right, sir.
You have to thoroughly go through that website to know what is it they are offering. For 7 days deposit, they are giving 4%. For 5 years deposit, they are giving 6%. For senior citizens, they are offering 6.5%.
That's right, sir. That's very important
Yeah,
information I need to go through.
you have to go through all these things and get to know this. And they have regarding loans to what is meant by SHG.
So it's self-help groups. It is moderated by NABARD, National Agriculture Bank and Financial Development Bank.
Good, good,
It
good.
is,
Yeah, Manipur Rural Bank was established in which year?
so it's in the year 1980 something, I could not
81.
exactly 81. Yes.
1981 as a joint undertaking of Government of India, Government of Manipur, Punjab National Bank.
That's
50,
right.
15, 35 respectively. It was
Yes.
established under Regional Rural Banks Act 1976 with a view to
Yes.
empower the rural economy and to develop a gateway to cooperative credit structure with the objective to enlarge institutional credit for rural and agricultural sector. समझ गया?
Yes.
सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप का बारे में आपने पूरा बताइए.
So self-help group is organized by NABARD. They will, they will support us to
I think you
go
don't.
through the rural.
I think you don't know. You don't know.
Not,
You are not
not
studied. You are not studied.
this one, not sure. This one, I'm not so sure.
Self-help group is a concept whereby 15 to 20 ladies normally they join, form a group. They start saving money. They open their bank account. After which the bank in turn will give finance to the self-help group.
Yes.
The self-help group in turn will distribute the money to its members who will be engaging themselves in productive activity like goat rearing, mat making, mamati making, agarbatti making, poultry, etc. And thereafter they will repay the money to the fund. The group in turn will refund the money to the bank. The concept of self-help group has found very well in India. This we have learnt from Bangladesh. Mr. Mohammed Yunus is a person who is the author of this concept and for which he has been given Nobel Prize also.
Nobel Prize. Yes.
So this self-help group concept has been very good operating in India, more especially Tamil Nadu, where the recovery rate is more than 95%. Looking into this, the self-help groups formed by men are not that very productive. They are not refunding the money properly. The one advantage of self-help group is that there is a group concept. Each one is responsible for the welfare of others. And that way, it is bringing cooperation among the people and it helps to improve the self-worthiness of women.
Oh, okay.
Very good. This is how you have to tell. Good.
That's very useful information.
Yeah, very good. Have you heard about the term banking ombudsman?
Sir, yes, I have heard about it.
What is it?
It is a person appointed by Reserve Bank of India. It is the person will be appointed each one for the concerned bank. They will look after the public's complaint, any services complaint. He will be looking after those complaints and then he will forward to the bank and other regulatory authorities.
Excellent. Can you tell me what is KYC?
Sir, it is a full form of, it's expanded as know your customer. In every bank, whenever they are opening a bank account, they will ask us to fill up this KYC, and we will have to give an identity and address information, not to in order to prevent the misuse of the fund, and it can track down the person whenever the bank wants to do.
Now, what are the documents normally supporting this KYC?
For identity purpose, we can give ID proof like PAN card, passport, Aadhaar card, and other various
driving license,
driving license,
voter's ID,
voter ID. Yes.
all these things
And
can
then
be, yeah.
for the
Yeah,
address information, we can give like same passport, driving license,
no,
ration card.
even driving license has it. Good.
Okay.
Acha. Now, this KYC is taken in order to ensure the identity of the person
Yes.
and also to avoid Benami transactions.
Okay.
And also to see money laundering is avoided.
Okay.
Are you aware what is Benami transactions?
I have heard of it, but I am not sure about it.
What is Benami? What is Benami? Benami means doing business in somebody else's name.
Oh, okay.
That is, A is doing business in the name of XYZ. All the money credit goes to him. And in fact, I am told the northeastern states, you have the advantage for women. And that is why many men are coming from other parts of India. They go to northeast region, they get married to the girl there, and then open a business so that there is no income tax. Correct?
Yes, there is some waiver for the women's, especially women's.
Yeah, there is no income tax.
Places.
There is no income tax for, I'm not sure whether it is there in Manipur, but earlier I have heard it is there in Assam, Tripura and all that. मणिपुर में भी होगा मेरा ख्याल से, उसका बारे में जानते हैं आप?
I'm not so sure, but they said, yeah, there is a tax privilege for people who are opening company, who are doing entrepreneurship in the region.
Correct. वो लोग क्या करेंगे? वो एक लड़की को शादी करेगा, उनको वाइफ बोल के उनका नाम पर बिजनेस करेगा, जितना प्रॉफिट आता है वो सब इनको तो आएगा, लेकिन दैट इज टू प्रिवेंट say income tax. I understand there is no income tax there, or there is concession in income tax for women. I'm not sure about that. But of course, that cannot be prevented. In as much as a man really marries, you can't do anything. And what is the language of your state?
Sir, in our state, the official language is Manipuri and English.
Achha?
Also,
English also.
English also. And tribal, each district have their own tribal dialect.
Oh, very good. But
different language.
Yeah, but one good thing is that you are able to have say your Manipur, I mean English as one of the languages that helps you a lot.
Yes.
That helps you a lot. Acha, you have been staying in Tamil Nadu for how many years?
Sir, it's been 13 years.
13 years.
Yes.
Like Ram Bhagwan.
I studied my graduation here in Salem University. And then I have been working for 5 years in Chennai and then preparing for the
Tamil terima?
Yes, I know some basics. Konjam தெரியும். Basics only.
Tamil cinema பார்க்குமா?
Sir, the pagal some sort of songs. We listen.
Tamil cinema பார்க்கும்?
No, sir. Not much.
Acha. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister பேர் என்ன?
Sir, it's Edapati Palaniswamy.
Acha, Deputy Chief Minister பேர் என்ன?
It's Sri Selvam.
Oh, good.
Selvam.
Very good. Acha, you have voting rights also. You have been exercising your franchise here?
Sir, as of now, we are not allowed only the native citizen, I think.
You mean you are not having voting rights?
Yeah, I have a voting right presently in my state only, I think.
In your state only. अच्छा, यहाँ पर आपको रेशन कार्ड वगैरह कुछ नहीं लिया?
Ration cards, as of now, I'm not getting it, but my state government can issue
अच्छा,
to those who are residing now.
शादी हो गया?
And I'm not yet
Not yet
not
married?
yet married. Yes,
Oh,
not yet married.
oh,
I'm
अच्छा,
planning to do after my job.
very good.
Yeah,
अटल पेंशन योजना, इसका बारे में क्या जानते हैं?
sir, it's a free. There is no minimum balance. It's a
Hmm,
free saving account. It's a part of government of India financial inclusions,
hmm.
and this is especially for the rural people and the lower middle class
Very good, very
society.
good. Can you tell me what is the effect of COVID-19 on banking?
So the effect of COVID-19 has especially affected on the operation of a bank, like the hard cash transaction has reduced, and then this reduction has in turn affected the increase of digital transaction in the bank. And through the banking, they are offering different services like mobile ADM. So the digital transaction has, especially
Yeah,
digital
yeah,
transaction,
but
has increased a lot due to COVID.
you have not covered the important point that on account of this corona, this has resulted in increasing of NPA, non-performing assets.
Okay,
Non-performing asset is one where in an account the repayment of installment or interest is not paid for 90 days.
okay, yes, that's
So,
right.
but on account of this corona, government gave moratorium for extension for 3 months, 6 months, like that. That has
Yes,
resulted in more accounts becoming NPA. And
that's
not
right.
only that, the courts have intervened and said that interest should not be collected on interest, with the result that is putting banks into a great loss to an extent of 6 lakh crore. Today's news report.
Okay,
This has resulted in loss for the banks to an extent of 6 lakh crore.
that's huge, very huge.
It's a very huge amount. 6 lakh crore rupees has been affected. So this has to be compensated by government by flushing in, I mean, putting in new monies into the capital of the banks. So this is the
That's
impact of this. And yeah, and why did you resign your job and started looking for government jobs? How long have you been without work?
sir. It's been 5 years now.
5 years.
5 years, yes.
How do you
It's been
manage?
long.
What work are you? Are you doing some freelancing work?
Sir, I'm not working. Presently, I'm staying together with my sibling. I have two immediate brother, so I'm staying together with them.
No,
But
but
for the
how do you manage for expenses? Is your parents helping you?
my siblings will look after me
Acha,
for the expenses.
siblings will
Yes,
take care. That's good.
yes.
But this answer is not good. This answer is not good.
Yeah, but sir,
So
can I give this way? Can I say this way?
yeah, tell me.
Actually, I have been preparing for this post for the last 3 years. For
Mm,
the first 2 years, I have some family commitment.
mm,
Also, in the first 2 years, I was not very decided to which exam should I write.
mm,
But since I'm very passionate about joining public sector organization, also my parent has been aspiring for me to join in a public sector organization.
mm,
I have decided to uh,
mm,
join in this bank.
mhm,
So yeah, this up to this date, I have cleared main exam last year also.
mm.
So I'm preparing for it.
Very good, very good, very good. You told rightly. No, but iska alawa, you should say that I am working as a freelancing for giving consultancy on computer networks problems, etc., to needy people.
Okay, okay.
Because even an old man, retired man like this, I'm not keeping myself without work.
Oh, that's right. Yes.
Of course, for me, I do without charges. So, but in your case, it can be with or without charges, but you must be keeping yourself active. How are you going to
Okay,
present them a picture that you have been active? Oh, thoda soch lijiye, prepare kar dijiye.
that's right. Okay,
Yeah. And you must go through the Manipur Bank's website thoroughly.
right.
100% they are not going to ask very many details of that. फिर भी आपको पूरा पता होना है
Ah,
about RRB.
okay, okay.
Yeah. Who is the governor of RBI?
Sir, it is Saktikanda,
Shaktikanta
Mr. Saktikanda,
Das.
Saktikanda Das. Yes.
Very good. How many deputy governors are there in Reserve Bank?
Sir, it's a four.
4 deputy governors. Who is the
Yeah,
latest? Who has been appointed recently? Rajeshwar Rao.
Rajeshwar Rao.
Rajeshwar Rao. So good.
Rajeshwar Rao.
Rajeshwar Rao. Good. Now let us come to computer again.
All right, sir.
Computer. What
Okay.
are the various uses to which computer is put into in our day-to-day life?
Sir, it's a computer has various application in our day-to-day life. In the home, we can use for the document editing, graphic applications. Also, in the field of medical technology, there is a lot of computer application, and in military
Mm,
application,
mm.
in military also there is the computer application of computer hardware and software is there. Also in the field of science and technology like rocket science, space research, and there is also application of computer in university educational institutions.
Good. But पहले आप ये बात भूल गया बैंकिंग को नाम बताया नहीं. It is used in
Ah,
banking, insurance,
yes,
government,
banking,
other things.
insurance.
Doesn't matter. I just tested you. You
Yeah,
are telling
okay,
it
okay.
nicely. Good. Very nice. Okay. Now, as it is, I find no problem in your talking. Maybe I have not been able to ask you some technical questions relating to this your role. Maybe they can
Okay.
ask you, what do you think will be the role you have to play?
Yes.
What do you think will be the, if you go to Google and search, it will tell you the,
Okay.
yeah, role of IT officer in a bank. Role of
I believe
you have seen that job profile.
it's not officially
The IT
given the
officers are
details.
recruited at the various branches of the bank, that they take care of the data center, which is the main part of the banks, which is the data and core banking applications are saved. IT officers are responsible for maintaining and supporting this data center so that
Data
it
center.
remains functional 24 by 7 without any
Yes.
malfunction in it. IT officers also need to look after the banking software that is installed in the banks, in which the
Yes.
officers and clerical cadre are working on day-to-day basis. They need to troubleshoot any communication or software issues that arise in these computers while working. The ATM section of the bank is also handled by IT officers. They are
Okay.
responsible for smooth functioning of ATM machines and need to repair any disputes in the machines with immediate effect. They often need to
Yes.
visit the ATMs in shifts and are given the responsibility to install them in new places. Likewise, ये थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए. Along with the
Ah.
different types of banking software like Finacle, FlexCube, Bank CS, SEP, etc., they need to work upon the hardware parts of the bank as well. Setting up
Yes.
accounts, making employees know about the modifications in the application software, testing and evaluating new technology used by banks, safety and security checks, and assisting fellow bankers, workers are some of the roles of IT officers in any bank.
Yes. Yes, also the networking issues, we may
networking
be
issues.
handling it.
Yeah, these things they must go through. Very good. What is your full name? Apang.
Yes, my full name is Ngavau Phung Satsang.
Are Baba.
It is named in our tribal dialect.
How to call you Satsang?
Yes.
Satsang. What is the meaning of the word Satsang?
Its meaning is to cut and put.
Hindi or Sanskrit में सत्संग बोलने से क्या meaning है? You don't know?
In Hindi, it's a name of some noble. It's something related to nobility.
Satsang means a group of people joining together, good people for a good purpose. They sing in praise of God. They talk in praise of God. Satsang is a place where positive vibration goes.
Okay.
Satsang.
That is in Hindi meaning.
Meaning of the word satsang. Sometimes they can ask you that also. Good. Yeah. I have no problem about you. I can give you easily 8 to 9 out of 10.
Okay.
Best wishes. Go for the interview. And iska beach mein, from now onwards, go through the newspapers, more especially relating to Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Thereafter, go through the website of Manipur Grama Bank and also Tamil Nadu Grama Bank.
Okay.
Do not dekna hai.
Okay.
Then
I will go through that.
Go through Google and try to get notes for a role of IT officers.
Okay.
Not only that, ATMs functioning of ATMs, functioning of core banking solutions. इसका बारे में कुछ notes मिलने से उसको पढ़ लो.
All right.
Very good. Best wishes.
Okay, sir. I will let you know what I have done. Also, last year I have sent you my self-analysis.
Yeah. After the interview is over, kindly send me the list of questions.
Okay, I will send my questions and self-analysis.
Good. Best wishes.
Okay.
And
okay, sir.
How old are you? 20?
Sir, I'm 30. Now I'm completing 31.
31. Good.
Yes.
Good. Don't worry. Best wishes. One good thing with you is that you have confidence. You are good in communication in English. आपको हिंदी जानते हैं?
थोड़ा है, बेसिक है.
ज़्यादा नहीं जानते हैं.
हाँ, नहीं.
अदु konjum.
Yes, konjum jadi.
Best
I
wishes.
can understand better. Yeah, speaking is a little different.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, sir. You have been helpful to me since last year. Thank you so much for your time.
Last year also I talked to you.
Last year we didn't talk, but in WhatsApp also we communicated for several times in WhatsApp also.
Really?
I sent you question and interview analysis last year also. I sent you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Very good.
I will send you again this year also.
Best wishes. I wish you success.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.